Hello, my name is Sonia Ross. I'm a psychotherapist, an intuitive messenger, and an author. And this is the angel reading for March of 2024. So I've pulled 7 cards and we're going to get started and we're going to receive the 7 messages that the angels have for you for guidance, support, and just what you can call on for March of 2024 and any energies you're dealing with in your life. Know the angels are always there to support you, to guide you, to love you. Angels are definitely real and they're full of abundance support, and you can never call them too much, too often. You're never bothering them. And if I didn't grow up with angels or any type of religious belief system, and so when I was introduced to angels or I heard about them, I was kind of like, oh, okay, but I was just getting guidance, especially last year, to connect more with the angels, and I did connect with them, and it's been a lovely experience. And so I want to share their message with you, that they have for you today. So we're going to begin. So the first thing they would like to say is to take a step back. Very interesting. This was one of the themes that came up in one of the other life path readings for March. So that was a theme for this life path number, or not a theme. That was the encouragements the angels had for this life path number, and that is the encouragement the angels have for you. 1 second, please. And the next card is opportunity and change. Beautiful. So I'll show you the cards in a minute. They're lovely, lovely cards. Expect miracles. Holy love. Beautiful, beautiful. These cards are so lovely. I'm using the Kyle Gray Oracle deck. These decks are so beautiful. Cut the cords. Release what no longer serves you. Yes. Ease and grace. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Raise your vibration. Oh, this is a beautiful spread. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. The first message the angels have for you is to take a step back. Take a step back. See here. Your angels are guiding you to take a step back and reflect before proceeding further. There is an excitable and action-oriented energy around you at this time, but you're being encouraged to review the situation before making any moves. Remember that you are a sensitive being, and should the correct steps and intentions not be aligned up, you could open yourself up to harsh energies or a situation that could be limiting to your growth. In order to have the best experience and a positive outcome, take some time now to meditate on your actions and intentions, visions, and goals. Call in your angels and invite them to guide you to make decisions that will be supportive of your expansion and your highest good. When you try to rush ahead or force something to happen, we often miss signals and signs and messages that are encouraging us to change course. If you have a big decision to make now, or in the midst or are in the midst of moving a project forward, your angels are encouraging you to take a step back and breathe. What is for you won't go by you. Your angels are encouraging you to step into the energy of trust. When you do, you will draw universal energy and support to you. If you have concerns about another person or a relationship, this card is guiding you to draw back and respect the space of others. Let this be a time of self-care and self-awareness. And when you step back, you let the universe step in. Beautiful. The next card for you from guidance is opportunity and change. See, here she is. Isn't she beautiful? I've disappeared. Here we go. These backgrounds. See, opportunity and change. As you close one door, another one opens. This is a time for change. Your angels are drawing close to you to support you and making the changes you need to make Your angels are drawing close to support you in making the changes that you need to make to attract opportunities and abundance. You may have experienced resistance recently or felt stuck, but the new beginning you are seeking is unfolding now. If you are hesitating over a decision or wondering what to do about a particular project, your angels are encouraging you to go with the new. Change might bring a sense of vulnerability or present you with the unknown, but it will allow you to make a deeper connection to your feelings and gifts and what's most important to you. Your guardian angel is waiting to guide you through the doorway of opportunity that is being offered to you now. The extended message. You are in a time of change and opportunity. Whether this involves a new role, career opportunity, relationship, child, or project, know that it is blessed by God and the angels. This is an exciting time, and if you have apprehensions, know that this card is reassuring you that you are being supported by the divine. If you ask angels to lead this way, if you ask angels to lead the way, you'll be guided by signs, intuition, and instinct. Move forward fearlessly, as this is a blessed time for you. So, in the month of March, remember to move forward fearlessly and call on your angels. Expect miracles. Okay. Miracles occur naturally. Sorry, didn't show you the card. Isn't she pretty? Miracles occur naturally. They're always ready to unfold. Your angels are encouraging you to prepare yourself for them now. A miracle doesn't have to be an extravagant change in circumstances. I'm pretty sure this card came up for another reading. So this is the second card that came up again for March. Okay. So a miracle doesn't have to be an extravagant change in circumstances. It can be a simple shift of energy that creates a new wave of love in your life. If you need something positive to happen or you're praying hard for something, this card brings you the message that something exciting and healing is about to unfold. In order to help this along, you're being guided by your angels to recognize and honor your own worth. Realize that you are absolutely worthy of miracles and they will unfold in your life. Your entire life has been brought together by miracles. They're happening all the time, and the miracles that you need isn't a difficult one, because in the hands of the divine, anything is possible. The extended message. Place yourself in a golden light. Remember that the light of God is within you, right there in the heart of your being, your soul. Good things can happen for you. But in order to manifest something wonderful in your life, you have to believe that it is possible. You could be seeing the miracle you need as impossible or as even too big for you to achieve. Ultimately, this is exactly what is blocking it from happening. So change it now. Your angel guide is inviting you to open your mind and heart and see what is being delivered to you. Feel that is already in your life. Feel grateful for all of your blessings, and you will allow the miracles you deserve to unfold. The next message is holy love. Holy love. We all need holy love in our lives. Holy love. You are blessed to receive this card today, for it shows you are being surrounded by loving energy, and the cup of your heart will be filled until it overflows with goodness. The angels who are with you now know that at times you can feel unloved and unappreciated, and this can block your experiences of love and appreciation. The divine energy that is surrounding you at this time is there to help you melt away any blockages so that you can be open and receptive to the love and appreciation that you deserve. Your angel guide is encouraging you to view yourself in a loving way and to give yourself permission to be loved. If you have been holding back for a while but are now ready to share the love you have within, this card brings the message that it is safe for you to do so. The extended message. Angels of love are gathering around you in awe and celebration, for you are finally willing to remember how loving and lovable you are. And heaven is guiding you to see that you deserve loving relationships, loving experiences, and loving acceptance from the world around you. This card marks a milestone in your own self-awareness. It acknowledges the steps you have taken to claim your worth and to recognize that you deserve to be loved, respected, and to feel good. It also acknowledges a new level of spiritual openness, which draws even more divine love from your angels and the Creator. You are loved beyond your wildest dreams by the power and the presence that created you. And through receiving and acknowledging that love, you will create even more loving experiences with yourself. Beautiful, beautiful message. The next card, the next angel message is cut the cords. I've never seen this card before. I'm curious about the message. So, cut the cords. It kind of looks like, kind of reminds me of David Bowie. In spirituality, cords are the energetic bonds that connect us to a situation, person, or place. There are different types of cords, but in this context, they are connections to situations or people that can have a negative and draining effect on us. We can also create a negative cord when we have an expectation of the outcome of a situation, especially when it was outside of our control. So, this is an important time for you to release any attachments to people, places, or situations, outcomes, or anything else that could be limiting your experience of joy. Angels are wrapping you in a light of love so that you can lovingly detach from situations that could be draining, dramatic, or damaging to your health or purpose. If you're finding yourself hanging on in a situation you know is unhealthy or negative, angel wisdom is encouraging you to call upon the help you need to release yourself from it. Know the angels are guiding you to surrender the need to direct and control at this time so you can welcome in the spiritual support that is available to you. When you ask your angels to support you in cutting the cords, they will help dissolve the connections that are hooking you into a negative situation. You have to do your part too by removing yourself from harmful and draining situations. If you have questions regarding a situation, relationship, or outcome at this time, know that you're being guided to find a new way forward, as it will be more rewarding and replenishing for you. Ultimately, cutting the cords is an act of self-care and self-love. Cut the cords. 2 more cards, okay? Ease and grace, and raise your vibration. I feel like all of these kind of make sense and lead from one to the other. Ease and grace. Show you the card. Ease and grace. Isn't he beautiful? Yeah. Looks like a Shaolin master. He has these beautiful wings. His wings are gold. And he has like a portal behind his head. How amazing. Beautiful. This is a time to learn and adapt. You're being guided to slow down, take your time, take in the current moment, and allow space for events to occur. You often put too much pressure and expectation on yourself, and this is not required. Also, with constant effort and rush, you'll find yourself becoming overwhelmed and tired. When you're too forceful, you use up too much energy, and that may hinder your progress at this time. If you are in a difficult situation at work or with other people, don't feel you have to prove your skills, talents, or worth. Just step back and breathe, and through grace, you'll be seen, understood, and recognized for who you truly are. Extended message. You're being guided to flow like water. Don't feel the need to rush or force your way ahead. A gentle approach will be more rewarding. Have patience and move with subtlety and grace. Your angel guide is encouraging you to see life as a dance. Your angel guide is encouraging you to see life as a dance. One step at a time, and you will make your way through this incredible journey, learning more and growing along the way. How can you move forward with more elegance? How can you slow down? How can you bring more grace and poise to your current situation? This is a time to soften, breathe, and move in a way that is steady but flowing. This information may come as a surprise or even a challenge to you, but your angels know it will be a benefit for you. But your angels know it will be beneficial for what is coming your way next. Sometimes when we have goals in mind, we think that we can't ease up. But the messages I always receive from Spirit is to ease up. Ease up doesn't mean to take your mind off the focus, or ease up doesn't mean to not be productive. Ease up means pressure that we put on ourselves, the go, extremely driven nature of a situation where we exclude everything else. That's caused us to be out of balance. And the message I always receive and that I'm sharing with you is that the angels and Spirit always tells us to ease up and be more in flow. We can be focused, we can have our schedule, but we always have to have balance and put ourselves on our schedule too. The last one is raise your vibration. Look at this beautiful angel. He has like these magnificent, like purple and blue wings. How dynamic is that? It's time to move up a level. It's time to fly high. You may have experienced some setbacks or felt low recently, but this is behind you now, and you have the opportunity to light up like never before. Everything in the entire universe is comprised of energy, and that energy vibration, and that energy vibrates, drawing toward it a similar energy. So raising your vibration means aligning yourself with situations, people, places, and choices that you know will lift you up, support you, and help you grow. When this card appears, you have overcome the darkness and are moving into a time of opportunity. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you can be reborn. Know the angels are acknowledging your commitment to growth. You're filled with inspiration now, attracting only the good. The extended message. There's a sense of achievement around you at this time. You may be receiving documentation, certification, or a reward of some description to acknowledge your growth or experience. This is a time to cherish, a time to enjoy the rewards of your commitment to living with integrity and doing good. You have overcome many challenges and risen above adversity, judgment, and possibly even abuse. You are ascending spiritually and personally at this time, and the universe is supporting you. This is the pathway of light, the pathways of your soul's evolution, ascension. Beautiful. Ashe. So I hope you will take these messages from the angels and that you will let them sustain you for the month of March, and know that the angels are always surrounding you and you can call on them at any time. Let me see if the angels have anything else. Just know you're surrounded by them. They're always available to you. And, I guess I used to feel that calling on the angels, I didn't really have any relationship with them. And I guess I didn't really care or believe in them. No disrespect, I'm sorry. But I felt like maybe they were like kind of for children or whatever. But I stand corrected. Having the angels in my life has truly enhanced my life. And I want to encourage you to call on the angels more and more so your life can be enhanced as well, because they have beautiful energy to share with us and they want to support us in every way that we can imagine, and even ways we can't imagine. So the angels love you, sending you peace, I'm sending you light, I'm sending you joy. Have a wonderful, wonderful March of 2024. If you would like a personal reading with me, I do personal tarot readings. My information will be in the link in the description box. My name is Sonia Ross. I'm a psychotherapist, intuitive messenger, and author. If you like this video, please check out our others. I have a bunch of other videos for the Life Path members. And, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. So wishing you peace, joy, blessings, abundance, and success. Wow. Peace.